In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem a game code on Xbox. So in order to redeem your game code on Xbox is easy. First, log into your Xbox account to get started. Open up a preferred web browser, type in www.xbox.com and search. Also make sure that you're logged in using your Microsoft account and you'll end up in this main homepage. Now, go ahead and click on your profile option at the top right hand corner. In the pop-up, click the three dots right next to Xbox profile. Now click on Redeem Code in the pop-up box and then you'll end up in this page where you'll need to sign into your Microsoft account. Make sure to sign into your Microsoft account as well, and then after you're logged into your Microsoft account, you'll need to enter the game code in the text box. Enter the 25 digits long game code that is available to you on the text box and make sure to type it exactly as it appears. And soon after you are done, you'll be able to redeem Xbox game code. That is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.